Good day everyone. My name is Mayet De Guzman Santiago, HE, Grade 12 Board Aide, from Liwag Memorial High School, Senior High School of School Division of Gapan City, Nueva Ecija, Region 3. Today, we prepare pork dish, glazed pork with malunggay and trinity sauce. Here are the following tools and materials and equipment. Wash our hand properly to prevent food contamination. This is how to slice the pork. Here are the following ingredients, which are already premature. We have pork 200 grams, 2 pieces, vegetable oil 1 tablespoon, garlic 1/2 tablespoon, malunggay leaves 1 tablespoon, ternity flour 1 tablespoon, and thyme herbs, salt and pepper to taste. And make sure all the tools and equipment are also properly and clean and sanitized. Let's start. Add na minced garlic, malunggay, ternity, salt, and thyme. For our malunggay ternity sauce, we have pre-measured ingredients. After 30 minutes of marination, let's grill the pork. Mix the butter, garlic, and thyme leaves. And decide on the liwag pan. Saute the following ingredients: butter, garlic, mushroom, the diluted. Stir well and add more water as needed. Set aside. Garnish it with fried sotanghon, malunggay, trinity, and tomatoes. I hope you learned a nutritious pork dish from me.